2013 Red Lentil Carrot Soup Prep Time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 30 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. Serves 8 cups. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons oil, olive, sesame, canola, etc. 1 white onion, finely diced. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4 tablespoons red curry paste, preferably low sodium. 1 1/2 cups grated carrots, roughly 1 large carrot or 2 smaller. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 2 tomatoes, diced. 1 cup uncooked red lentils, rinsed with cold water. 4 cups water. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 3/4 cups coconut milk. Instructions: heat oil over medium heat in a large stock pot. Add onion and ginger and cook for 2-3 minutes. Add garlic and red curry paste and cook 2-3 minutes until garlic becomes fragrant. Stir in grated carrot, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Cover and cook over medium heat for 5-10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add lentils and water to stock pot and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes until lentils become tender. Stir in coconut milk and lime juice. Bring to a quick boil and serve. Garnish with chopped basil, vegan yogurt, whipped coconut cream, and/or red pepper flakes. 14 Dessert Snack. 4/4 pistachio cake. Ingredients: 5 eggs, flour and sugar, each equal in quantity to the eggs. 1 cup pistachios. 6 ounces, blanched and sieved, spinach. 3/4 cup butter. 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Instructions: blend the yolks with the sugar for 15 minutes and then add the melted butter and flour, continuing to stir and gradually adding 3/4 of the pistachios, peeled and diced. Add the sieved spinach, the stiffly beaten egg whites, and last of all the baking soda and cream of tartar. Bake at 350 degrees in a buttered mold that has been lined with wax paper. When done, remove from the mold and cover with a sugar glaze. Sprinkle with the remaining chopped pistachios, and put it in the oven briefly to dry out. 2013 Mocha Cake. Ingredients: 1 1/2 cup butter. 4 egg yolks. 3/4 cup sugar. 10 ounces sponge cake. 1/2 cup strong black espresso coffee. Instructions: amalgamate the sugar with the egg yolks for 1 minute, then slowly add the softened butter and some of the coffee, stirring continuously. Cover the bottom of a broad shallow pan with slices of sponge cake, and cover the sides to a height of 1 inch. Put 1/4 of the butter and egg mixture aside, and pour the remainder on the sponge, putting another layer of sponge cake on top, sprinkled with coffee. Let stand for a few hours and turn out onto a cake plate. Cover with the rest the butter and egg cream and garnish with toasted coffee beans. 2013